The mass timber connectors used at 211 High started as a basic prototype in our lab 5 years ago. Back in 2020, we were looking for opportunities to create innovative technology in the construction industry. We talked to many industry players and identified that there was a clear demand for better and more efficient mass timber connectors. Solving challenges like this is why we come to work.
We pride ourselves on truly understanding the problems that we're trying to solve. So we dove in deep to understand the needs, the cost, constructability, engineering requirements, and compliance. We found that the market needed a smarter, concealed connector with rapid assembly time that matched real-world tolerances. Once we had that target in mind, we got the idea engine started.
The initial concept actually came from someone with no construction industry experience. They wondered whether an idea previously considered for roadside barriers could be adapted. That's one of the cool things about working here. Our team have a range of knowledge from various industries.
Within a day, we had a concept and a basic prototype to prove it could work. From the first test, we knew we were onto something. I can still remember the buzz among the team. It was one of those eureka moments. We soon explored a number of concepts in parallel and evaluated them against our set of requirements, but this was still the clear winner, and we moved into the product development phase.
With a full test lab and a workshop on site, we can quickly build, prototype, test, and iterate designs, learning as we go. But we're always testing against the key requirements to make sure that we satisfy those market needs. Rapid assembly is so important in construction. Time and motion testing played a big part in developing these connectors.
Fast assembly was a key measure, but compliant performance was first and foremost. Using our in-house test lab, we proved compliance for construction, seismic, wind loading, and fire.
Now that we had fully validated the connector concept, we partnered with Hilti, whose world-class engineering horsepower and marketing reach would be able to bring the connector to market. Working with Hilti was a great match. They used their proven product development process to ensure a robust, high-volume product in preparation for global supply.
At Hilti, we definitely pride ourselves on working with like-minded businesses within the construction industry who really want to bring such innovative products to the market. Homes were really great at working to the tight deadlines and especially understanding the pressures of construction, which is super important when you're working on developments such as this.
It's incredibly rewarding to work with large international businesses like Hilti who are at the forefront of innovation. These connectors are already changing the way mass timber buildings are constructed.
They reduce build times, they do allow for larger tolerances and massively improve on-site safety.
It's so exciting to see them in action at 211 High and now many other projects around the world. This is just the start. We've been working on new connector technology for various applications, not just in timber, but also in steel and concrete structures that can be used in critical construction projects, such as marine ports, renewable energy, and data centers.
Our team are always on the lookout for the next complex challenge to tackle. If you work in an industry where you see the need for change, or you've got an idea that you'd like to develop, we'd love to partner with you to make it happen.